Aquanauts, engineering our water future. You might be thinking that as water is everywhere, what's the problem? But with only 1% water actually usable and with growing populations, that precious 1% is under serious pressure. The good news? There's a load of innovative technology and ideas to help us conserve and reuse water in our homes and industries. Hi, I'm Arno. I'm with the Aquanauts. We're wild about water and how to make sure there's enough for everyone who needs it, now and in years to come.
Activate Aquanauts!
First, let's get one thing clear. Not all water that goes down the drain is the same. There's grey water that comes from places like your shower, bathroom sink and washing machine. While not super clean, it's not as nasty as black water, which comes from toilets and kitchen sinks and is full of bacteria and organic matter like from food waste. It's relatively easy to recycle and reuse grey water. And there's some cool tech to help save water without even noticing. Over to you, Ravi, on the gadget deck.
Thanks, Arno. So I've been checking out some devices that are available in our homes. First up, aerators for taps. These nifty little devices reduce the flow of water through taps without affecting the pressure. Less water, same effect. Win-win. Ever flushed a toilet and thought, wow, that's a lot of water? Dual flush toilets let you choose a lighter flush for liquids and a stronger flush for solids. Another cool development is water-efficient shower heads, which are designed to use less water while still giving you a satisfying shower experience. You won't even notice the difference. And new technology is helping us wash our clothes more efficiently too.
Aquafact!
Smart washing machines can save 26,000 litres of water per household every year.
Smart machines adjust the amount of water and detergent based on the load size, so you're not wasting water and using too much detergent, which can harm the environment. There's also loads of exciting new engineering going on behind the scenes. The government has a target of reducing our daily water usage by 1/3, and new building regulations will require all houses to have what's known as hard plumbing solutions inbuilt to reduce water use.
Makes sense. After all, you might change your washing machine or taps, however high-tech they are, but you can't easily change the plumbing.
Digital smart meter technology could also monitor our water usage, in the same way as they currently help us be more aware of the energy we use.
Going back to grey water, the wastewater from showers and washing machines, well, let me introduce grey water recycling systems. Every industry creates wastewater, and more companies are putting systems in place to reuse that water instead of just letting it go down the drain. And it's something we can do in our homes too, right?
While safety is an important consideration, after all, grey water isn't as clean and fresh, with some smart thinking, we could reuse it. New home technology might take water from the shower and washing machine to flush the toilet. And don't forget good old rainwater. You can set up a rainwater collection system to capture rain from your roof, store it in a tank for use in the garden, washing your bike, and even flushing the toilet.
Great stuff! As we've discovered, water is heavily used in farming, and there's some engineering solutions helping farmers conserve water. Efra's out in the field, literally.
Drip feed irrigation is like giving plants a personal water bottle. Instead of spraying water everywhere, drip feed irrigation takes water directly to the roots of the plants using narrow pipes, reducing evaporation and ensuring that every drop counts. Rainwater can be stored in ponds or special retention dams for later use, helping maintain a steady supply of water for crops, even in dry spells. Drought-tolerant plants can also help. Not all plants need the same amount of water. By picking plants that are drought-tolerant, you can create a green space that thrives with less water.
So, there's solutions being activated right now, and lots of other industries have come up with smart ways to recycle and reuse water. Back to Efra, who's digging into the detail.
I'm in a mine, and I have to say it's a bit different to Minecraft. I'm here because mining uses huge amounts of water to extract minerals from ore. This water will be very polluted after being used. Innovative recycling technologies can help mines reuse this water multiple times, reducing the overall demand for fresh water. And just like in our homes, wastewater from manufacturing can be used again for things like cooling processes and even irrigation, although it's a bit more complicated than just putting a device on a tap. They use a process of flotation. After bacteria and evaporation break down and separate contaminants, the water is then filtered numerous times for safety.
So, water conservation isn't just about using less. It's about using what we have more wisely. From high-tech irrigation systems for farming or advanced recycling processes in industry, right down to smart appliances at home. There's plenty of ways to make a difference, and you can be an Aquanaut too. Next time you brush your teeth or take a shower, think about how you can make changes. Maybe install an aerator on your tap, or switch to a water-efficient washing machine. And maybe think about a career in water tech in the future.
Water workers!
There's a wide range of jobs across the water sector, and today's water worker is...
Product design engineers. Water-savvy taps, dual flushes and smart washing machines have to come from somewhere, often with a background in mechanical engineering, industrial design or a similar field. Product design engineers come up with the designs for these exciting new gadgets. They have to meet the brief for saving or reusing water, as well as making them look good and be easy to use.
Stick with us, and we're going to be helping you understand the challenges ahead. Discover some of the cool engineering and careers that are solving problems today. And find out how we can all make a difference, with more tips so you can be an Aquanaut too. See you again next time when we explore how our built environments impact water. Aquanauts, created with support from the Royal Academy of Engineering and Cardiff University. If you'd like to find out more about engineering our water future, visit funkidslive.com/water.